Today we are going to talk about our device, Automated Serum Injector. This device is submitted as a final year project to the Department of Biomedical Engineering, SRM University by Karan Mehta, Piyush Saluja and myself, Aishwarya Chandran. Automated Serum Injector is an embedded system device to allow efficient and precise administration of any serum through a syringe. Many of you might wonder what would be the role of such a device in today's world. In this fast-pacing 21st century, prolonged working hours for nursing staff in order to meet patient outflow is nothing new. And with this increase in working hour productivity of the nursing staff is affected. According to a survey, out of every 1500 mistakes made by nursing staff, 900 of them occurring in drug administration procedure. Hence, we aim to place our device in this loophole in hospital administration to aid nursing staff and increase their productivity by ensuring fast and efficient way to administer serum for IM injections.
Hi, I'm Charisse and this is Brittany, and we're here today to show you how to do an intramuscular injection in your deltoid muscle. First, you want to make sure that you have everything that you will need. Your prescription bottle, your syringe, 2 alcohol prep pads, 1 gauze, and 1 Band-Aid. First thing you're going to do is wipe your site. Now when wiping your site, make sure that you wipe from the inside out to avoid any bacteria. After that, you're going to take your alcohol prep pad and single swipe the top of your vial. Now you will take your syringe, pull your plunger down to the amount of medication that's directed on your bottle to be injected. Take your bottle, turn it upside down, put your needle into the vial, inject the air into your vial. This will pressurize the bottle and make it easier for you to draw your medication. Hold down on your plunger to the directed amount of medication that is on your vial. Once you have done that, you're going to flick your syringe a couple times to get all of the bubbles out of your syringe. Push your plunger up just a little bit to make sure that the medication is in the actual needle. Now you're ready to do your injection. When doing your injection, make sure that you have 3 fingers down from the shoulder bone. You're going to go center of the deltoid muscle. Perfect. When doing a deltoid injection, make sure that you inject at a 90-degree angle, which is straight into the muscle. Once you're done with your shot, make sure you dispose of your needle in the proper place. Take your gauze pad and rub your medication into the muscle. Now you can apply your Band-Aid, and you have just completed your intramuscular deltoid injection.
Moving on to the hardware components, here we have the AutoJect. It is an advanced auto-injector device which improves patient self-reliance and makes the injection process more convenient and manageable. It can be used to deliver a range of different syringe-based medications. Easy-to-use design allows many people to self-inject the serum. We have a number of benefits which are as follows. The needle is hidden from the patient's view, which makes the product suitable for patients with needle phobia. A safety interlock mechanism prevents accidental firing until the device is pressed against the skin. Needle depth adjuster allows healthcare professionals to tailor injection for more effective and comfortable drug delivery. Suitable for use with a wide range of syringes. The HC-SR05 ultrasonic sensor uses sonar to determine distance to an object like bats do. It offers excellent non-contact range detection with high accuracy and stable readings in an easy to use package. From 2 cm to 400 centimeters or 1 feet to 13 feet. The operation is not affected by sunlight or black material like sharp range finders are. Although acoustically, soft materials like cloth can be difficult to detect. It comes complete with the ultrasonic transmitter and receiver module. The Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328. It has 14 digital input and output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM output. 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz crystal oscillator, a USB connection, a power jack, an IC SP header and a reset button. The Arduino system provides wireless access to the device via Bluetooth. The device can be fitted by pressing F button in a Bluetooth console and can be retracted back by the R key in the console. This ensures the device reusability. Now talking about the power of the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno can be powered via the USB connection or with an external power supply. The power source is selected automatically. External power can come either via AC or DC. Next, we shall talk about the DC motor. As we know, a small DC motor will rotate with high speed, but the torque generated by its rotation will not be enough to move even a light load. This is where the gear system instead of a servo mechanism comes into the picture. The gear mechanism will take high input speed of the motor, and at the output we will get an output speed which is slower than the original input speed, but more practical and widely applicable. A servo system mainly consists of 3 basic components: a controller device, an output sensor, a feedback system. This is an automatic closed loop control system. Here, instead of controlling a device by applying variable input signal, the device is controlled by a feedback signal generated by comparing output signal and a reference input signal. Now we will see the working of the device. The barrel is first locked into the locking mechanism, where we use a spring-loaded system to lock the syringe. This is to ensure that the serum isn't injected if the locking mechanism isn't locked. The syringe is then loaded into the barrel. The barrel is fit with an adjustable needle cover for needle-phobic patients. Then the distance between the needle and the arm is measured through the ultrasonic sensor. The command of U is given. If the distance is not equal to the default value, then the device can be brought closer or farther from the hand using a ball bearing system which is fitted below the device. Again, the distance between the arm and the needle is measured. Once the distance is equal, the system is ready to start. Once the device is ready to inject, we can press the F button on the console to start the administration of the procedure. With the click sound, the user can be assured that the serum has been injected. The user can then press the R button to retract the needle from the body. Once the needle is retracted, the alcohol swab and the cotton can be applied at the site of injection. The syringe is disposed of and the barrel can be fitted again with a new syringe to inject. The stand allows the device to be accessed at various angles and heights. Thank you. In the age of digitization and micronizing, every innovation has a possibility to improve. The piezoelectric chip, along with the silicon gel, reduces the skin impedance. This allows us to measure the muscle depth via ultrasonic waves. Fitting a piezoelectric chip on ultrasonic sensor allows the ultrasonic beam to pass through skin uninterrupted, thus giving us the muscle depth. This would help to ensure that the muscle depth is greater than the needle length and that the injection is not injected into the bones. The vein locator. The current version of the device mainly focuses on IM injections and its administration. The device can also be used for intravenous injections with the help of vein locator and apt codings and algorithms. A vein locator is a device that helps a user to locate the nearest and the best vein to administer an intravenous injection. With apt coding, one can decipher the distance of vein from the skin and the angle at which the IV injection can be injected. This would lead to the entire process of injection or syringe administration automated. Automated serum injector thus acts as an assisted device to the nursing staff in hospitals and on field government volunteers for vaccination programs. The device corrects the errors occurring due to stress, exhaustion, and lack of skilled staff. With possibilities to improve, we look forward the device becoming the major solution for drug administration errors and problems related to it.